doesn't look too happy. He runs after cats too. We don't go to the zoo anymore. He digs up flowers. Clifford loves to choose shoes. His house was a problem too. Oh, his house is way bigger than hers. Clifford is a giant.
Don't worry, there's a cafe on the way.
Oh, lovely. Could do with a nice cup of coffee.
Can George and I have ice creams, please?
Of course, ice creams for everyone. The cafe should be just about here. Oh.
Where's that today?
Hello, what can I get you?
Oh,
A cup of coffee?
The apples.
What is that?
You say, Christina, you stay with Daddy, and Angela come with me.
That's not milk, huh?
Make that decision.
What he did was he's showing that he came out here to come up off of his daughters. He said just
Oh.
selfish.
Nummy. She's going, what is this?
Yeah, baby, it's food. It's apples.
You want some carrots too?
Isn't it yummy? Carrot. Look. Look, baby, this is carrot. See if you like this one. Here, baby.
What the heck?
Are you not a fan of the carrot? Is it yummy?
Good girl.
Girl, you're doing a good job,
girl.
baby. Ready? Mama's still trying to get a hang of it, sorry.
Good girl.
You like carrot?
Joey liked everything but peas. Every time I try to give him peas, he just spit it right back out. He's like, no. Not. Her face is so funny. When you put it in her mouth, she's like, what the heck? Oh!
You look so cute, baby.
Never give up. No matter what. Never give up. You see a lot of people give up and them have less in life today than them going to have 2 years ago. Them going to have less in the future 7 years from now than them have today because of decision they make 2 years ago. Me going to have more in the future. Today me have more because of decision me making in the past, not because of things me do today. You don't get results for what you do today. The things that you do today going to pay you off in the future. If it pay you now, the money won't last. It's like a paycheck. You see me? Easy come, easy go. You see me? If you not plan out your paycheck, all you gotta do is take vacation, go restaurants, buy clothes, buy a car. You get me? And when you have to buy real assets, you're not gonna qualify because you don't have the extra money to do it. Always invest your money. It could look like a pansy. Just not invest all your money. Spread your money out. You get me? So many people are suffer and I smile on camera.